Good morning. This is a recording for Saturday, July 27th. I'm going to continue reading from the Book of Awakening by Mark Nepo. Today's essay is titled, The Eye is the Lamp. Mark Nepo prefaces this essay with a quote from Jesus. The eye is the lamp of the body. If your eye is sound, your whole body will be full of light. Jesus implies that the eye that is clear lets light in. Considering the eye as something that lets light in and not just something that observes light outside itself opens the heart of the matter. To make it through the days, we must consider our heart as something that lets the reality of others in, and not just something that maps its way through the desires and fears of others. To let others in as well as to let ourselves out seems essential to staying authentic. There is a liberating paradox that often cripples our hearts when seen as either or. It involves the tension between risk and safety. Often, risking openness is seen as a dangerous way to lose all safety, and keeping closed in is seen as a way to stay safe. This reflects a walled-in, walled-out sense of being in the world. Within the wall is safe, outside the wall is not. This belief, of course, never acknowledges the suffocating dangers of the wall itself. The mask worn after the face has grown becomes a wall that rubs and cuts. The paradox is that in true interior ways, the only path to deep safety, that sea of inner peace, is through the shifting sands of risk. Risk opens safety. It doesn't shut it down. Only through the risk to open can we inhabit and receive the strength and fullness of what is whole. This raises the very profound question of how to define self-protection. Is it hiding who you are, or is it being who you are? Is it guarding yourself with all that you see, or is it clearing yourself to let light in? Is it preparing yourself against all that can hurt you, or is it opening yourself to all that can heal you? And now let's do a little practice around this together. Take a comfortable position, and as always, take a few moments to settle. Settle into your body, your heart, your mind. Settle into this moment, right here, right now. Keeping your breath natural, nice and soft, remind yourself that there is nothing you need to fix about your breathing. It's fine just the way it is. In the same way, this moment is okay just the way it is, and you are okay just the way you are. Nothing needs to be changed or shifted or improved. Whatever is enough. See if this reminder helps you to get a sense of spaciousness in your breath and in your whole being, allowing all the experiences of the present moment to flow through you freely as energy that they are, without any struggle. Now, if your eyes are not already closed, close them for a few moments and erase the blackboard of your mind with the sponge of your breath. Now open your eyes again, look out, and note the first instance of light and what it illuminates. Hold that object in your gaze and realize that the light it has absorbed is now moving through your screen of risk and safety. Feel it enter. Accept the light. As you do this, notice what happens in your body, in your heart, in your mind, in your breath. Now place your hands on your heart and send the energy of loving kindness to yourself with a lot of gratitude for being here, for doing this practice, for your dedication, your discipline. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I know deep, natural peace. And now as you let go of your practice, as always, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you really? As you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with this profound reflection. How does your safety versus risk filter work? Do you feel safe enough to accept the light? As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a beautiful day, and I will see you tomorrow.